All right, I have this 2-in-1 protector for your remote control for your drone. This comes in from STARTRC, and this thing is actually really, really, really nice. I like this a lot. So when you're traveling with your controller, you know, especially the one with the screen on it, you don't have a lot of protection with it. Now this gives you that. So it's actually really simple to install, and I'll kind of show you how it's done. Basically, you put it on like so, and then you have this cover right here to keep this thing elevated up away from your screen. And then you have your controller protector. So now you don't have to take the controllers off every time you want to use them or travel with them, which is really nice. And then it comes around the back under the antennas. Very simple to do. You just lift up the antennas and snap it into place. And then they have little screws that you can screw in there. And then also I love that there's a quarter thread there. So if you want to set this on a tripod or something to make it a lot easier to fly, if you're just like, you know, doing some kind of long filming and stuff, like that's a really, really cool addition to it. At the bottom, it also clips in with these where you can clip on your lanyard, and it comes with a lanyard. So it's nice. You have this thing around your neck. That way when you're flying and you need to grab it or something, you can set this thing down. But yeah, when you're wanting to fly, you just lift this thing up. It just kind of folds over and you can easily fly without it getting in the way. All of the buttons and LED lights and even the logo on the back is still seen, so it has no problem. So fully protects, and it works great. This thing is just gonna live on my little controller here because it's just awesome. So highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.